Building the wrong apps is like burning money. My name's Courtney. I'm a non-technical founder and I built 15 apps before I figured out how to properly validate my ideas. I created a system for myself which I now use to build successfully. I've put it all down and I've made it available to all of you. You'll learn the good ideas framework and what separates a great app idea from a bad one. You'll learn how to figure out which apps will work for you based on your experience and skills. You'll learn the exact formula that I use to figure out which apps will actually make money. I'll show you exactly how to speak to real people to find out whether your ideas will work. Once you've gone through the system, you'll know exactly which apps to build, and most importantly, you'll quit wasting time and money. Vibe coding is fun, but it's much more fun when you know that there's a positive result at the end.